Today we're going to talk about Delta 5 oil with Sciadonic acid. Let's take a look. So first off, what is Sciadonic acid? It reduces inflammation and dryness, and it makes the skin look visibly better within 24 hours. I personally use a couple drops on my trouble areas, forehead to keep those wrinkles down. I also use a little bit around my eyes, making sure not to touch my eyes with it. It really does make your skin feel a lot smoother, it fills in those wrinkles, and it really helps your pores look a lot better. I'm a fan, and you should check it out. So the bottom line on the product is it really does fill in those wrinkles, it helps with dry skin, and overall just makes your skin look better. So if you're not yet convinced that you need to try Delta 5, here's my challenge to you. Look up and down your body. Look at your elbows, your knees, your wrists, your joints. Do you have some dry skin somewhere? Well, then maybe it's time to try Delta 5. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them below. And here's my wife Jennifer and her comments on Delta 5.
I'm currently using this on my eczema, and it seems to be making a difference.